When two people get together, they each have their own set of baggage. Relationship baggage, emotional baggage, who knows what else. Financial baggage can come as well, though. Talking about loans, credit cards, other debt that can really hold you back in terms of finances. And when you get together with somebody else, hold the collective you back if you don't figure out a plan to attack it together. That debt baggage needs to go. At our Money Strategies for Stronger Couples workshop, we help you figure out a plan to get it to step in. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.